Scotsman is the world's first carbon fiber electric scooter, custom 3D printed, just for you.
The existing scooters that you see on the market are all constructed around known components and existing components. When we developed this scooter, we were thinking about how to make every one of those components feel integrated. And not simply feel streamlined, but feel like custom bespoke design for this scooter.
How do we unlock the true potential of carbon fiber? Well, with 3D printing, we can control the direction and the placement.
It was also, we had sort of this aha moment where we started to define these peeling elements around the back wheel, the integrated lights in the front, the creases along the handlebar. And these are things that are very much unique to the Scotsman's manufacturing process.
With this design that Branch gave us, we've engineered the placement of every single carbon fiber so that it can translate into a stiff and strong scooter.
We wanted to make the interaction with your Scotsman seamless, so we added a smart interface right on the handlebars. Throughout the day, people's priorities change. Whether it's a quick commute or a leisurely ride across town, Scotsman is modular by design, so you can optimize on the go. We've always challenged ourselves to avoid compromises. A scooter with long range can also be lightweight and fast. A robust scooter can also be foldable and easy to carry. As a technology company, we've made it a practice to be inquisitive, pushing the boundaries of what can fit into a product without compromising the original design intent. No feature can come as an afterthought. The Scotsman encapsulates power in its most dignified form.